So you do that to bribe the fire so it doesn't go off. You see, once you do, it lights up more. Because you don't want to overuse the matchbox.
Can now book this travel pack with me. It's a mix of the culture experience in Pakwach. You get to be in the community, in the homesteads among the locals and do hands-on activities with them, but also get to see the falls and do a game drive. It also has a stop at Ziwa Rhino Sanctuary. So if you're interested in this, my contact details are in the description box. You can book this and explore Murchison Falls and get a feel of the culture in Pakwach.
That's enough. Some more. Nyongeramu amazzi. Medpi. Eno. Long yaba. Kumele mogo. Eno wrong. Okay. That's okay. So that telekwata bulunguse. Mpenju pewa? And guys, I wanted to tell you guys something. You see here, these stones, the cooking stones, they are hot, right? When you're cooking. So we have like myths about them that they would say so that girls don't sit on them when they're cooking or after cooking. So they would say that if you sit on it, you'll not give birth, you'll be barren. Do you know any?
Yeah, if a man sits on it, he will never marry. No woman will ever accept him. He will never, even if he tries to be with someone, he'll never get children.
Do you think it's true?
I don't think. It was to
The-
protect.
yeah. And then another one, they used to say, if you sit and you've not yet grown boobs, you'll not grow breasts. And you know how girls in Africa, in African villages, love boobs. They want to have something on their chest. Even those ones who have smaller boobs are not really considered so attractive, not so. Yeah.
Someone to be attractive should have enough food for the babies.
To feed the babies. So yeah, there are many myths that are there in our society, but they are beautiful because they are there because of a reason. And the gender, like the agenda, is to protect against unnecessary accidents that would happen if you sit. To protect the food by covering. This millet is highly nutritious because it contains
Iron.
iron. Yeah. So for the babies, you give them this to boost their immunity, and then they should not go malnourished because of some food supplement that they'll be missing. Actually, here in my village, they don't give kids like those vitamins, the tablets. No, you get them all from organic food. Let me take off. Give me speed. Because of kids, we have to put some little sugar.
See how thick it is. You don't pour a river Nile into the stone. I wanna be rich. I wanna be famous. I wanna have lots and lots of money. So about the past, I wanna be free. Live and die in Africa. Uganda and Africa.
The mother of the family is going to eat from the saucepan. Mandazi.
Guys, if you watched up to this point, we thank you. I just want to let you know that food is to be eaten, not to be videoed. Thank you for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Cheers.
To the good life in the village.
to more victories.
Long life. Not meeting our ancestors soon.